One of the things that people often ask is, how long do I leave it out? And I like to say it's up to you, because there are a million possibilities. Some people say that if you leave the flower in the sun, in the water, until it wilts, it has given up its spirit to the water. I sort of like it when it's not totally cooked. Now, myself, I also pay attention, especially since I live in the desert, to where the plant grows, and maybe it needs a little bit of shade. And sometimes you don't just put the bowl close to the plant, but one of my favorite, I'm just mixing things in here, but one of my favorite ways of making an essence is holding the bowl and carrying it to a plant and allowing it to touch the flower of this plant. I'm actually collecting the energy of that species, you know, or another plant, or what if this one's more yellow and this one's more orange? And I like that feeling, gathering, and sometimes it's almost a dance doing it. The other thing is, if you have a stem with flowers on it that's kind of drooping down to the ground, you can put the bowl right under it, and you can allow it to be on the water, but alive, not cut. And that's exciting. You know, it goes through its whole process, and it's playing with the pollinators and everything right there on your bowl, you know.
For the full video and for more plant teachings, visit Wild Medicine School at the link below.